Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to help you organize your nightstand. I love this OtterBox 3-in-1 wireless charging station. Just is so good at charging everything at once. As you can see, it's magnetic. It's not going to slip off. It's got a nice strong magnet. And with the watch, it just has that little clip on the back. You can pop it right off, put your watch cord through there, wrap it around, and then you'll be able to plug it into the base so that you're still not taking up another wall outlet. And there you go. I absolutely love that it's such a nice space saver. It's got a nice sleek design that's good for just taking up less space, has a great long 6-foot cord so that I'm able to reach my wall outlets. It's got that 36-watt wall charger and then the USB-C to USB-C cable, so it's going to charge super fast. Just all around a great space saver. So as you can see, I absolutely love how much it has helped declutter my nightstand. This OtterBox 3-in-1 station is amazing with charging all your devices at once, but only using one outlet, which I love to leave open for other devices such as a lamp. So I know that you're gonna find this super useful and super helpful and great for decluttering. You'll love it as much as I do, and that's my point of view.